Damn, this Red Bull got me hyped. Very last install video for this 2016 Subaru WRX for my brother Cameron. I know I say that every video, but I'm saying that for the new people tuning in. In here, we have a very, very nice touchscreen radio. By the way, if you guys haven't seen the previous videos of this car build, go check them out. And if you want to see what happened to the windshield, go watch the previous video when we wrap the roof. I'm gonna have Bobby open this thing up, and hopefully it's the right one for the car. I haven't opened it up yet, so I sure hope it is. Cameron gets this car back tomorrow morning, bright and early. So we gotta get this thing done tonight. And it's really cold out, really late. And I just had Red Bull, so I'm hyped. Let's go.
It looks like it's upside down.
Looks like you're upside down.
Probably, yeah.
Come on, get it out. Come on, Bob. Come on, Baba.
Papa.
Ooh, let's see what's in the box. I wanna help.
No.
I wanna help.
Pause off. For you?
That looks like a lot of wiring that I don't want to do.
Wow.
What do you think?
I don't know yet.
Oh, damn. It's like all built in and shit. That's nice. Dude.
I think it. That's so nice. I'm jealous.
Damn, that's crazy. That actually looks really freaking nice. This is the radio itself. I'm gonna set this over here. We gotta figure out all the wiring and whatnot. So, what do you, this looks like a lot of wiring to me. Oh boy, oh boy.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Basically, what we're gonna wanna do is figure out some wiring real quick. This plugs into here. All this plugs into the car.
What the heck?
And hopefully, we don't have to like splice anything in. Like,
What's all that stuff?
This is all like accessories. So, for example, this car has a rear view camera, or like a backup camera, I guess you'd call it, stock. So I really want to get that hooked up. This is Bluetooth. If you want to talk on the phone, you set that up. This is for the GPS, if you want to run GPS, which everyone does. Set that up. This is antenna. This thing's pretty dope.
Mm-hmm. That's really cool. Yours aren't even that cool.
This is like some USB stuff. And I actually hooked this up to my Evo 10. And I can never figure out how to use it, so I'm not going to hook it up in Cameron's car. RCA cable D-line. Who knows what RCA cable D-line is? I don't freaking know. RCA cable B-line. Hell yeah, I love the RCA cable B-line. Come up close, and let's open these together. I don't know what this is either. I feel like everyone just thinks I really know what everything is to do with the car. But 99% of the time, I have no clue what the hell I'm doing. Like right now, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I never done this before. But I'm still going to send it though. I'm going to figure it out. What do I do with this? What is this? Let's go ahead and pull out the current radio situation. It didn't make any sense, but I don't really care. I don't know how to do it, but I'm gonna figure it out. So let's go in the car and figure it out. Oh, that's...
Whoa.
What?
Whoa.
The whole thing isn't even bolted on. That's trippy, dog.
Somebody could steal that so easily.
I'm so confused right now.
Because these aren't supposed to come out.
What?
We don't have new knobs and stuff.
Oh shit, you're right.
All we need is the freaking face. Everything else is supposed to stay in.
I don't know if this is gonna work then. So I don't know if I ended up getting the right one. I'm really hoping I did. It looks like this whole climate control is gonna unscrew from this radio. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out, send it, and hopefully we can figure it out. If not, then I'll put it back to stock. And I'll probably delete this footage. So I got the radio out. There was all this wiring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 wiring plugins total, which is nutty. 10 wiring plugins and 0 screws. I'm gonna go ahead, run outside, pull this thing outside and grab the new radio, and then we have to swap the climate control and all this stuff up here, all these, to the new radio bezel. Let's do it, boys. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, 4 screws for the climate control. Unscrew these, they're just Phillip heads. I still gotta figure out what the heck those are for. Maybe I don't need them at all. Maybe they just are for like a BMW.
What?
Yeah.
No, baby.
Yeah, swap this stuff down here, swap stuff up there. All the wiring looks the same, so should be a direct plug and play scenario situation. I really want to get this backup camera working though.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Perfect fit.
Who made this? Guys, if you want to pick up this radio, provided it works good, link down below. $500. It's a Disassembly for a big ass screen. It's kind of cool. Damn, they made this so simple. Okay, guys, we got everything on. So as you can see, the climate controls HVAC system thing is down there, and that's held up by 4 screws. We have these 2 little AC vent things here, and then they sent us 2 of these guys, right? One had 2 holes, one had 1 hole. I needed the one with 2 holes because mine had 2 little buttons. Enter for I don't know what we're entering. Entering the realm of physics. I don't know.
I don't know.
Our flasher button.
I don't know.
But check this out, dude. Bruh, this shit is more freaking sturdy than an OEM Subaru shit. I'll just, if this thing's shitty, I'm gonna tell you guys it's shitty, like for real. But so far, I'm so freaking impressed with it. It looks like literally factory. Before we put the radio in, I'm gonna run the wire for the GPS. This GPS is gonna screw in on this little nub here.
So you don't need to explain all that.
It just briefly.
Okay.
It says GPS right there, and then Bluetooth if you want to talk on the phone. I'm gonna plug this in as well. So I'm gonna run these real quick. I'll just gonna do it and then I'll show you guys exactly what I did. GPS is right there. That's the GPS box. Wire runs down there, under the console, up to here, okay? Bluetooth is right here. Runs down there and back through here. Freaking simple. I do the same on every single car. You ready? You wanna throw in for me?
No.
You look really tired.
I am very tired.
All right, let's get her done then. I'm gonna plug everything in, guys. About 80 freaking wires.
Do you want me to like hold anything?
No, I just gotta be kind of careful with it. Oh my gosh, so many freaking wires.
Here, I can already see where that one goes.
Which one?
Right here.
So, see if it works before I plug it all the way in. Ooh, that looks good. That's kind of like really nice looking. Is it gonna turn on? Oh, is that Subaru?
Baby, chill.
There's a Subaru emblem on it. Dog. It's just like factory dog.
It's just loading. Baby, you need to calm down.
I'm hype right now. Did you see if the radio works? If I start this car up and reverse works, damn, it doesn't. That's all it says. The camera doesn't show. It knows it's in reverse though. So how do we get the camera to work? This thing's freaking nice though. This thing's really nice. Here's the scoop, guys. Everything on the radio is working perfectly except for the reverse camera. You need some sort of adapter I was reading online, which sucks because I really wanted this to be just like plug and play and good to go. But just know that if you want to use the stock reverse camera, you need to do some sort of other wiring stuff. Next thing I'm trying to do is figure out the steering wheel controls, which I think should be pretty easy. I just came on here to steering wheel wheel key study, clicked on that, and then it says press steering wheel buttons, and I clicked on a button, and that popped up. So I'm guessing that's gonna work. Let's do volume up. Dude, it works.
Do another one.
So yeah. We just did the volume up, volume down. All you gotta do is go on wheel study. I just clicked on that, the left arrow, right? That's how you change a song. Okay, I clicked on that, this list popped up, you click on this guy right here, and you click OK, and you're done.
Press save.
No, you don't need to save yet. You can do all of them at once. Now we're gonna go to the right, scroll down, click on the right one, okay, and then click on the mute button. Where's the mute button? That's the mute button, okay. This is kind of nice. No, this is actually pretty handy, guys, honestly. Like, I did not expect this to work, but it is. So that is dope, yeah. I'm gonna figure all this out, and then we're gonna kind of dick around with it, and I'll kind of talk to you guys about how good it is or how bad it is.
Come on.
Last thing to do. You want to do the honors? Are you sure?
Go ahead.
Pros and cons. That's what I'm seeing so far. Pros. It looks good. Sounds good from what I can tell so far. I have not tried GPS. Fits really good. The quality, I'm not even freaking being biased here. I'm not getting paid to say this shit. It literally fits, or the quality is better than OEM. Like, it really is. The quality of the plastic is better than OEM, which is crazy. That Subaru shit was not good. Cons, it's kind of slow to start up. It takes a while to get going, and the backup camera doesn't work. That's it. So far, it sounds good. I have not tested the GPS, like I said. Everything else works perfectly. All the steering wheel controls you can program however you want. So it's dope. If you guys want to buy one, $500 in the description below. What do you think?
I think it's time to go to bed.
Oh, the radio.
It's really cool. No, it really is cool. I wish I had one for the Genesis.
It looks so clean too.
Yeah.
That looks better than the stock one. Why'd you turn the light off though?
It's time to go.
Alright guys, well that pretty much sums up this 2016 Subaru WRX build. If you guys are new here and you don't know what the hell is going on, Cameron was diagnosed with cancer 6 months ago. He is in the hospital right now for his last chemo treatment. He gets that tomorrow. Myself and Bobby spent the last few days doing this whole car build. So what we did, NQ wheels, Continental tires, Rally Armor mud flaps, the Depot headlights from Unique Style Racing, Swift springs,
exhaust,
Grim Speed exhaust, roof wrap, custom modified windshield, specially made by Devin Niemela's knee. There's a few other little things I kind of wanted to do. I really wanted an STI wing, but the reason I didn't do an STI wing, I don't want to drill into his trunk and then him not like the wing and then be like, bruh, I got to drill that trunk and I don't know what to do with my life. So I guess if he wants to get a wing, then we can work on that in the future. Other things I would do is throw coilovers on it and slam the shit out of it. But it's not my car, and I know he doesn't like that. So yeah, guys, please stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Tomorrow's video is going to be us driving to the hospital, picking him up in his car. I'm really, really freaking bummed that I did that to the windshield. It kind of like ruins the whole vibe for me.
It is a fun build.
I know, it's still really cool, but guys, please stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Like I said, if you want to pick up the radio we just put in this car, it will be linked down below. I have not completely tested it out yet. I do have the same one in 3 other cars, and I know they're good. So they're pretty solid. Yeah. Anything you want to add?
No.
Everyone that has subscribed to the channel and has supported me, thank you guys. This build would not be possible without you. I've been trying to end this video for like 3 hours now. Good night.